Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can move your forms, boards and projects to another workspace in your account on Monday.com. So let us dive into this. So head over to your account on Monday and access the workspace here on the left hand side. And after that, select also one of your boards or projects. So let me go for example with, let's say that board here. So what you want to do, guys, is select the workspace on the left panel, and here in that overview, click into content and simply click into these three dots next to the given board you would like to move. After that, select move to, and here select the option move to workspace. And after that, select one of your other workspaces you have created within your account. So let me move that board to this one here. And that's it. Now let me double check this. Select the second workspace from that list, and there you go. As you can see, the board has been successfully moved. That's it. You can undo this, of course, by clicking to this button here at the top, but you will have only a couple of seconds to do that before the notification disappears, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.